So what is up guys, welcome back to the channel. As the title says, get paid per day to play video games. You can earn up to $100 a day just for playing video games or any other games on your phone. Now this is just an example. I'm going to use Among Us as an example. Okay, in the previous video I actually showed you guys how to create a YouTube channel with just your phone. In this specific game, which is Among Us, can be played with just your phone. It is actually for mobile. All the tools you need are completely free. What we're actually going to look at is how much money these specific channels make just doing this gameplay, and I want to show you the actual growth that this guy actually had with this gameplay. So if this is something that you're interested in, then watch this video all the way till the end, as I will show you exactly how you can go about doing this for yourself starting today. If you are new to this channel and like videos about real ways to make money online with no clickbait and no fake earnings, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell notification so you can be alerted each time I upload a new video. And feel free to watch any of the older uploads, as they all provide a lot of value that can actually help you make money online. Okay guys, so welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've searched Among Us gameplay, and the first result is actually a channel called Hornster. It's also the third result here, and you can see this one uploaded yesterday. He actually got about almost 10,000 views, but this specific video uploaded 2 months ago got 1.7 million views. Now if we look at his channel specifically, okay, I'll go over to videos, you can see he's got about 17,000 subscribers. Okay, he did not have this amount of subscribers about 2 months ago. Now if we go down all the way, look through all his videos, he started his channel 3 years ago, and you can see all the other videos he's uploaded did not actually work out for him. Okay, didn't work out for him, but once he uploaded his Among Us gameplay, his channel shot up and he got all his views and subscribers from doing just that. Now once he started changing up again, not doing Among Us gameplay, okay, you can see his views went down. Okay, but look at just the Among Us videos. This can be done for literally any game on the Android Play Store. Okay, you can see there he is getting the views and he's getting the money. So let me see here. I'm going to copy. Okay, so this is his channel right here on Social Blade. Now Social Blade is going to tell us exactly how much money he's making. Okay, this is his estimated monthly earnings. Okay, that's just an estimate. Okay, it's not what he's actually getting per day or per month, but as you can see here, he's getting anywhere from $10, okay, minimum 7, minimum 6 here and there, up to $117 a day from YouTube just for playing Among Us. Now you can check the channel stats right here. Once he started doing the Among Us, he actually got all of his views and subscribers from that as well. We can just go back to corroborate all of this information. So this is 2 months ago. Okay, as you can see, October 2 months ago, he actually got where when he needed to be. So his channel shot up, he got subscribers, he got the views, and it started leveling out. So he's gaining subscribers daily now, but only a certain amount. It still doesn't matter. He actually went out and got it right. So guys, I know. So what you can actually see here is that he actually put in the work doing something fun which he actually likes doing. So you don't actually have to go out and sell products actively to make money online. All of that is just shite, banana poop. Okay, all you need to do is start creating content, and people will start consuming your content, and that is how you are going to grow on YouTube. You only need to upload at least 1 or 2 videos a week for it to work, but make sure that you do your SEO right. So if I'm going to take one of his videos, okay, so the tool I use is a vidIQ. So vidIQ is basically going to show me all of the search tags that he uses within his videos. So what we need to do is copy all of those tags. Okay, finally Now you can see all of the tags he actually uses within his videos. So his channel tags are still loading, and this is all you need to have. Okay, just get the channel tags and get the video tags. Now the video tags you are going to use in each video. The channel tags you are going to use in your channel. Once you go to YouTube Studio settings, all of that, you put all of your tags, go on the channel and put in all of that there. Okay, all of this there, just copy it. We need to copy this. Okay, you can copy all of this, so this is right. You can download or copy it. Just copy it and paste it within your channel and in your videos, and that's how it works. Now these thumbnails that he actually uses, which you can see right here, is only a snapshot of the game itself, which means he takes a screenshot. Okay, and then that's it. He takes a screenshot and that's done, and he adds maybe one or two few other things right here, which you can see, like different things, like a little puppet guy, the guy in Among Us, all of that. But that's all it does, and that is the recipe for success, guys. Keep at it and you will succeed. So I hope you actually enjoyed this video, guys, as much as I did making it for you. Okay, so I also hope that you guys will actually go out there and take action for yourself to go and change your lives for the better. Okay, don't just watch the videos, actually take action and implement these strategies. It's the only way that you are going to succeed. If you are going to come online and watch videos every day and not take action, okay, you will not succeed. You need to find out what works for you, what works best for you, do it, stick to it, and make money with it. That's all from me for today, guys. I will see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.